Docker Crash Course. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Docker is an open source platform that allows developers to build, package, and run applications in portable containers. These containers include everything the software needs to run, making it easy to deploy across different environments consistently. To begin using Docker, you need to download it by opening your browser and searching for docker.com. Once on the website, select the appropriate version that matches your operating system specifications and click on it to begin the download process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete all stages of the installation without skipping any steps. After the installation is complete, open the Docker application. You must sign into your Docker account first, or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, open your command prompt to create your first container. In the command prompt, type this command to install your first container. Then press Enter to initiate the download. Return to the Docker app and go to the Containers section to view your newly installed container.